When I'm actually working, though, it's still just instinct. I keep going back to this animal thing because people use words like about art, these are spiritual and abstract, but I don't feel that. I feel almost the opposite. I feel like I've always felt that very conscious of being part of an extraordinary magical physical world. It doesn't mean that I don't love magic, but I see the magic in that, you know. I don't need a kind of physics, or it's already magic. I don't need supernatural because nature is already super.